Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, we are still holding above that $2 trillion mark. And we are currently sitting at $2.03 trillion market cap, but we are down 8.4% in the last 24 hours. But BTC dominance right now is sitting at 40.8%. BTC dominance on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at a little off, but to be exact, as of recording this video, we are currently sitting at 42.16% of BTC dominance. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are still seeing quite a bit red across the board, especially over the last 24 hours. And that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a small retracement happen of about 7%, which obviously you guys know what happens with the entire market. We do tend to see the altcoins follow, and majority of the times altcoins do get hit double digits. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now happen across the board. But today, guys, I want to look at none other than Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain's price, as you guys can see, we are currently trading at 0.096 cents. We're down 13.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Our market cap right now is at $6.42 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $655 million. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 28 spot. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 530%. Even though we are down 37% over the last 14 days, we're still up 529%. But let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, let me bring out the measuring tool right off the bat. First off, I would like to say we're back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. This level of support was unable to hold for us because the dip for Bitcoin was quite significant. So that is a negative sign in my opinion. What I personally would like for Vechain to do is get back above this 10 cents mark at all costs. Like, stay above there at all costs, because this 10 cents mark is very, very important in my opinion for the Vechain's price. If we are bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, from its run, this rally that we had over the past month and a half, we peaked out at about 15.7 cents. So if we are bringing out the measuring tool, Vechain has dropped about 40% since then. That is more than majority of the altcoins right now, and one major factor right now that's causing that is because the China FUD has come in once again, and it is creating panic. And obviously China and Vechain, Vechain is a Chinese company, so you guys get the perspective as to why there is a lot of FUD across Vechain right now. But again, this gets me super excited. FUD gets me excited because we were seeing a lot of FUD around here, guys, and you guys see what happened. And if I'm not saying this is happening, please hear me out carefully. I'm not saying this is happening, but if Vechain decides to go all the way down to 5.5 cents once again, I would be buying, Vechain like crazy. But again, this is just my own personal strategy and opinion. You guys do what works for you. By no means am I telling you guys do what I'm doing. But this move that we saw happen over the past 24 hours does not come as a surprise to me at all, because you guys can go watch my video I made just 17 hours ago, and I explained just that. I did say, guys, we're sitting at some critical price levels for Vechain along with Bitcoin. And as a matter of fact, Bitcoin did have a dip towards the downside, and it did exactly what I have been predicted. This level of support did play out once again for us at this $43,000 mark. We did wick a little below it, but this overall support did definitely play out for us for the immediate short term at this $43,225 level. We are literally right above that right now. But what is going to happen if we break below it comes the question. Then things could start looking ugly, in my opinion, for the short immediate term. But I do not see that happening right now. The chances of that are not that high. But let's keep in mind, guys, let's definitely keep in mind that the China FUD is creating a lot of panic across the board. You guys know this initial China FUD and the Elon FUD that came out where Elon said they will no longer be accepting Bitcoin. And then along with the China FUD right next to it, you guys saw what happened to the markets. We did see markets have a correction of about, if we are bringing out the measuring tool, of about 50%. We saw Bitcoin drop 50%. Is that going to happen this time? Most possibly not, guys. Most possibly not. But again, this is cryptocurrency, and I have been saying this for over and over and over again. Cryptocurrencies are super, super unpredictable. Even though they're the future, I'm a huge believer on crypto, even though it's the future. But you guys have to keep in mind that these markets are manipulated, and you never know when Bitcoin can decide to take a reversal. So right now, what I personally would like for Bitcoin to do is stay above this level at all costs, guys. As long as we stay above this $43,225 price point, I believe we're still in the safe end territory and we're still in the upwards trajectory. But if Vechain closes up below this level of support, guys, then we will be having a different conversation for the immediate short term. And as you guys can see, BTC dominance is on the climb as well. So as BTC goes towards the downside, let's say it continues to go towards the downside, we will see BTC dominance start to rise up once again because money is going to be flowing into Bitcoin rather than altcoins, because Bitcoin does tend to be the better holder and the better investment when it comes to the downwards market, because Bitcoin holds better compared to altcoins. But what does it mean for Vechain in the immediate short term? Like I said, we still have about 6 hours, more like 5.5 hours for the markets to for the day to end. I would like for Vechain price to close above 10 cents, before today comes to an end. So that would be very, very interesting for us to see. But right now, nothing to worry about, guys. Let's not forget, let's take this as a lesson. I say this over and over again for you guys. Let's take this as a lesson. I know it's crazy, guys. We tend to get greedy. Investors tend to get greedy. But let's not forget, markets can go up fast, towards the upside very, very fast. But again, we can see reversals happening towards the downside as fast, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the market, so it decides how the market is going to play out. So when you are sitting at some nice profits, let's not get greedy and scale some out so we can buy back these kind of dips when they do really occur. But I'm still a huge believer that this bull run is definitely not over, and we're still in it for some newer all-time highs this year alone, but only time will tell. But with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and what are you guys doing right now. Are you guys picking up some more Vechain? Are you holding with what you have? What is your strategy? Are you in it for the short term, long term? Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know where you could see Vechain go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This helps my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. I love each and every one of you guys. Road to 100,000 subscribers, and I know we can do it. But with that being said, I will see you guys later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.